Hey there. So, very quick video. Did you know that you're in Zoom, you can use keyboard shortcuts to help save you time? So if you go to settings, just up here, when you open Zoom on your computer, and you go into keyboard shortcuts, you can see there are a range of shortcuts which you can even edit and change if you wish. On a Mac, you can see the ones here. So we've got start a meeting, which is Control Command V. And then the ones that I like to use, you can start and stop the video, Shift Command V. And you can also do the same with audio, which is Shift Command A. Where is that one? Here we go. And then you can just easily and quickly do that when you're in the call. So let's try that. So Command Control V, start video. There we go. Connecting now. Okay, there it is. And then we've got Command Shift V. Start the video. Command Shift V, end video. Start video again. Command Shift F, full screen. And Command A, Shift A. So you can't hear, they can't hear you recording. Okay, get rid of my face. There we go. That's it. So did you get that? Command Control V, start the meeting. Command Shift V, start video. Command Shift A, start audio. And Command Shift F, full screen. And if you do it again, it'll turn them off. Start and stop. Okay, hope that's been useful. Cheers.